Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division step by step. First, let's understand the fundamental components. Every division problem involves a dividend, which is the number being divided, and a divisor, the number dividing it. The result is the quotient, and any leftover part is the remainder. This process is very much like long division you've done with numbers, but we'll apply it to algebraic expressions. Next, we prepare our polynomials for division. Always arrange both the dividend and the divisor in descending powers of the variable. For example, x cubed plus 2x squared. If any power is missing in the dividend, insert a term with a zero coefficient, like 0x. This ensures proper alignment and prevents errors during subtraction. Then, set up the problem just like a traditional long division. Now, let's perform the division. Begin by dividing the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Write this result as the first term of your quotient. Multiply this quotient term by the entire divisor, then write the product below the dividend. Subtract this product from the dividend, remembering to change all signs. Bring down the next term and continue these steps until you can no longer divide. Finally, we interpret the remainder. You know you're finished when the degree of your remainder polynomial is less than the degree of your divisor polynomial. If the remainder is 0, it means the divisor perfectly divides the dividend. The complete answer is written as the quotient plus the remainder divided by the original divisor. This gives you the full result of your polynomial division.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.